welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ever had one of those nights where you just couldn't sleep? You keep waking up for whatever reason, tossing and turning. I bet you never had this happen before. Hi, it's approximately 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and I was awakened by a strange sound that I thought was bad weather. And I thought it was a siren. Thought maybe we were getting a tornado or something. 4:30 a.m. trying to sleep. If you can listen closely in the background, you may be able to hear what I'm hearing. Let's investigate. What could be this strange sound? Hear that? I'm calling this the car alarm from hell. At first I thought it was my car, so I moved my car and I discovered that it's that car right there. And I seem to be the only person that is aware of this noise. Nobody else even cares. Nobody around. So, yeah, that is the source of my pain, and I just wanted to share it with you. Car alarm's still going. It was actually going 20 minutes before I started this video. So, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Alright, car alarm from hell. It's still going. I don't know if you can hear it. Still going. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so that happened. 7 in the morning, that same morning. Police officer knocks on my door. Blah, 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 blah. Is that your car? Blah, blah. No, sir. So I did find out who the gentleman was. Not really his fault. I wasn't mad, you know. I mean, it's not like he stuck his horn blowing for eternity on purpose. You know, but that's my story, yeah. Yeah. Like this video. Share all my videos. What you talking about? Yeah. Tell everybody. Like, subscribe, share. Please, please, and please. Talk to you later.